In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a TikTok video template in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable layout you can apply to every TikTok you make, keeping your content consistent and on brand without starting from scratch each time. First, open Canva by heading to canva.com and logging in. I recommend using a desktop browser for easier precision when you're aligning text and graphics. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page with a search bar at the top. Type TikTok video into the search bar. Selecting this ensures you're working at the correct 1080 by 1920 portrait size TikTok uses. Canva will open a new design with that canvas, and you'll see a panel of options on the left. Next, browse the TikTok video templates shown. Scroll until you find a style that fits your vibe: minimal, bold, playful, or editorial. If you prefer a completely custom look, you can also start with a blank canvas, but using a template can speed things up and spark ideas. Click the one you like to load it onto your canvas. Now it's time to customize your layout. Replace any placeholder text with your typical content structure: a strong headline, a short subheading or hook, and any recurring callouts you want across videos. Pick two complementary fonts, one for headlines, one for body text, to keep things consistent. Make sure your text is large enough to read quickly on a phone and has strong contrast with the background. Set your color palette to match your brand. Stick to 2 or 3 colors and use them purposefully: one for accents, one for primary text or shapes, and one neutral that balances everything. Add shapes or icons to frame your message, draw the eye, or separate sections without clutter. If you have a logo, place it where it won't compete with your headline, usually in a corner. As you arrange your design, think of it as the blueprint you'll reuse. Keep important text in the central safe zone, so it isn't covered by TikTok's captions, buttons, or profile info. Leave generous margins at the top and bottom, and align elements so they feel balanced. Create a clear hierarchy: headline first, supporting text second, then any extra details. Use consistent spacing between elements so your template feels polished no matter what content you drop in. When everything looks cohesive, pause and imagine swapping in new text or imagery. Your layout should still hold together. That's it. You've created a TikTok video template in Canva you can revisit for every post, keeping your process fast and your brand unmistakable.